Hey, well, all right, sir. Here we go there. And what are they going to give for 'em? I've been $600 down here now, 10 and now, 25 and now, 35 and now, 50 now, 60. Will they give me 60 now, 75, 75 another $85 on the bond there?
Mike, can you hear that sound? It's the sound of an auctioneer. There's going to be an auction, a benefit auction for New Covenant Academy. I have been waiting all year for this. I am so excited.
Me too. That's why I got my bidding paddles out and I'm practicing.
Well, that's good news, but let me tell you, this year's going to be totally online. They won't even know if you have your bidding paddles, but still, you can use them if you want to. But, Mike, guess what? It's going to be a little different this year because it's going to be in June, and that's coming up sooner than you think. And not only is it June, it's 3 days. Yes, 3 days of shopping, girls. Woohoo! June 2nd, June 3rd, and June 4th. Imagine it. It's going to be wonderful.
Well, it will be wonderful because do you know what this means?
Tell me.
We get to eat Fran Martin's dinner 3 days in a row.
Wait, no, not this year, Mike, because
Really?
Yeah, we're not having a sit-down dinner.
Ah.
You know that COVID-19 social distancing, so no sit-down dinners together. But guess what? Fran Martin has decided to donate a dinner for 12. She's going to fix it, and it'll be right in your own home if you like.
And it's in the auction so we can bid on it?
You can bid on it in the auction, brother. Go for it.
Well, I'm bidding on that because I know what to expect from that. But what would happen if I got outbid?
Ooh.
That
Yes,
wouldn't be good.
that'd
So
be
now
bad.
what? Oh, wait, I got an idea.
What? Tell
If
me.
I get outbid for Fran Martin's dinner, Jim Sporting Good has placed guns in the
Now
auction.
you're thinking.
I can shoot my own dinner.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be great?
Yeah.
And guess what?
Tell me more.
There's a grill in the auction that has been donated.
This is just too good to be true.
I could get that and cook the game on the grill.
Get out. Let's do it. Let's get bidding.
Let's start bidding on.
I know it.
Now, I just had another bad thought. What if I get outbid for all of that?
Oh.
I know. I'm not going to starve to death. There are restaurant gift cards in the auction,
And I think
I can bid on those.
And aren't they local? Yeah.
Yes, local restaurants that I can go to and enjoy dinner.
Well, Mike, I can certainly see that food is your interest, but for me, I want summer to come. And so
Oh, yeah.
I am
Yeah.
looking at all those summer activities on the online ordering, and I found Kingdom Bound. Now that's my cup of tea. I want excitement, adventure, rides, concerts. Yeah, I want those tickets. And guess what else is there?
What?
Tickets to the Creation Museum. And we went there last year, and it is so worth the money. Go, take your grandkids, take your neighbors. It is so awesome. And go to the Ark while you're there.
Yes, and yes, we actually got those from the auction last year.
So good.
It was great.
So good.
And for the kids this year, how about this? In the auction, you can bid on Crayola Experience and take the kids
that
there
sounds
down
fun.
in Easton,
Yeah.
PA. Down in Pittsburgh to the zoo and the aquarium, there's tickets for that
Can't beat
that
a
are in
zoo.
the auction. Locally, there's Camp Susquehanna, a
Good.
week at camp.
Oh, that'd be
There
fun.
is Three Springs Horse Program.
Excellent.
There's gift certificates for that.
Why, there's nothing that's left out. There's something for the whole family. Wait, we're not forgetting anybody, are we?
Well,
Well,
okay, gentlemen. I'm not going to mention names, but if you happen to have forgotten Mother's Day, or you were trapped inside, which is a great excuse
Okay.
for not getting a Mother's Day present, the auction can bail you out. There are things that Mom would like here at the auction.
let me hear it, brother.
Quilts.
Quilts.
There are home decor items.
Good.
Barden Photography, so you can get some family portraits. And also, there's a homemade bench that might look nice in your house.
Get the bench and then have your picture taken by Barton Photography on the bench.
It's great.
It's all good.
It's wonderful.
It's so good. And of course, we can't forget the fathers, because Father's Day is coming right up. And so guess what? We have some things for them that they're going to love. And
Like what?
ladies, I think you better get one for your dad.
Uh-huh.
Well, now let me give you part of the list. A chainsaw. How about a leaf blower? And of course, local restaurants. They always like to eat. Let me see what else there is. There are a car wash. You could go
Yeah.
to a car wash. And did I mention tools? Power tools, girls. That's always a good gift. And wait, and guns. There's always guns to buy. That would make your dad happy.
That's right. So, lots of things in the auction. So, let's get down to the business part of this.
Yes,
thing.
it's about time for that.
Okay, so here's how it works. They're going to be using an online auction service, and you can find all the information you need to get registered on this online auction service, and it is at ncalions.org. So go to that website,
Yep.
ncalions.org, and you can get that information. Also, the dates and times.
Okay.
So it's going to be 3 dates, June 2nd, June 3rd, June 4th, those 3 days from midnight to midnight. And each day will be a whole different set of items.
Ooh.
And those different set of items and the list of things in the auction can be found at ncalions.org
Or Facebook or Instagram.
Okay. Now, also, if all of that kind of got stuck in your mind somewheres, there is a phone number, too, that they can call for information.
And what would that be?
Well, it can be found at ncalions.org.
Who knew?
So
Wow.
you can go there for everything that you need to figure out how to get registered, what all you have to do, anything, the items that you want to buy are there. One other thing that's kind of cool is once you're registered and you're in the auction process, you can set up your phone to receive text messages when you have been outbid. So
Now
you know to go
that's-
back in
that's good.
and place another bid.
That's good.
Because we want you to keep bidding, and then the other person to keep bidding, and then you to keep bidding, so that you can spend.
And where can I find that information?
ncalions.org.
So don't worry about forgetting about it, because we remember for you.
All right.
So let's keep this down to 5 things. First, we're going to go to the website.
Yep.
And we're going to get registered.
Yep.
We're going to do we're going to see all the items that are listed and make a list. And then we're going to, what else should we do besides spend? And don't forget to check up on the updates.
Yes, they'll be updating as new things come in between now and the auction date. They'll be updating all the items. Again, you can find that at ncalions.org. So, everybody, God bless. Have a great time at the auction.
Give me 45 to make it a 45 to bid it a 45. Who would have bid it at a $45?